Hello! If you've watched my review of the Logitech G910 Plus mechanical gaming keyboard, you'll know that I was in need of a keyboard. And although the issue I had with the G910 Plus was reliability related, I gave Logitech another chance, and I thought the Orion Spark, the G910, would be the perfect keyboard to try. It's the next gen of what they were trying to do with the 710 Plus. One thing I love is right out of the box, I plugged it in, there was a rainbow of colors just waving over the entire, all the keys and their G symbol was all lighting up and looked wonderful. It really did. My wife was commenting how jealous she was. I like the look, but honestly, that's not going to be the one thing that impresses me. Durability, reliability, and its actual practical use is the main thing that's going to win me over. So it has the Roamer G mechanical switches, fast and durable from their website. I definitely hope it's going to be more durable than the 710 Plus. 16 million colors for intelligent RGB illumination, ARX control integration. You're supposed to put your iPhone on it, run an app. I'm not going to see how that's something I'm going to want to do, but it is a cool feature, I guess. It also has macro buttons like the 710 Plus. I am a fan of the extra programmable buttons. Normally we would just program the numbers, the numpad. Excellent packaging, very nice looking. But having the extra on the side, especially the left side keys, really makes me smile. Just look at how it sits in there. That is very nice. Nicely packaged, Logitech. Much better than the 710 Plus. The overall design looks pretty nice. Looks pretty rigid. Unlike the 710 Plus that had very tiny rubber feet, these have huge rubber feet. That's how you do it. I like the wrist rest a little bit better. The 710 had just the flat, slightly concave tops, the traditional tops, and these have a kind of futuristic looking top. And it actually, from playing with it a little bit and using it for like one day, I like these tops. They really do conform well to your fingers, at least my fingers. It does have some nice sturdy feet on the back, but they seem like they will not give me an issue as some other ones have. You know, some of them were pretty flimsy and you'd move your keyboard around, it'd go over, you know, your mouse wire or something accidentally and it'd flip them down. These ones do not seem like they would have that issue. These are very, very sturdy. Overall, I think this was a decent purchase. It was on sale. Much quieter keys than the 710 Plus. It does have 113 key anti-ghosting, which is nice. Reliable register inputs through even the most strenuous gaming sessions with anti-ghosting protection. Good. That's one of those features that most people are like, you know, but you notice it if you game a lot. The nice comfort, designed for gaming. I can't really speak to comfort, but this wrist rest compared to the 710 Plus, I like it a little bit more for my average to maybe larger size paw. The dedicated media controls, same as the previous model that I've used. I really think this is a win. I'm reading the future. I'm going to like this keyboard a lot more than I like the G910 Plus. And that's it. Peace. Excuse me. I picture the foo-hoo fool that falls in love with you. Oh, she's a gold digger. Just thought you should know, man. I'm not saying that word.